The student wants to contrast the emissivity of reflective metal fibers with that of silicon carbide fibers. Which choice most effectively uses relevant information from the notes to accomplish this goal? While researching a topic, a student has taken the following notes. Physicist Mulene Abebe was working on a garment suited for both warm and cold conditions. He analyzed the emissivity or ability to emit heat of the materials he planned to use. Abebe found that reflective metal fibers emitted almost no heat and had an emissivity of 0.02. He found that silicon carbide fibers absorbed large amounts of heat and had an emissivity of 0.74. The amount of heat a material absorbs is equal to the amount of heat it emits. So option A says, the ability of reflected metal fibers and silicon carbide fibers to emit heat was determined by an analysis of each material's emissivity. This is incorrect because this does not contrast the emissivity of reflective metal fibers and silicon carbide fibers. It just says that the ability of these fibers to emit heat was determined by an analysis of each material's emissivity. So A is incorrect. B. The amount of heat a material absorbs is equal to the amount of it emits, as evidenced in Abebe's analysis. This is incorrect because this, like A, does not contrast the emissivity of these two fibers. So A is incorrect. So B is incorrect. C. Though reflective metal fibers and silicon carbide fibers had different rates of emissivity, Abebe planned to use both in a garment. This is incorrect because although it does say that these two fibers had different rates of emissivity, it focuses on how he planned to use both in a garment. So C is incorrect. D. Whereas the reflected metal fibers had an emissivity of just 0.02, the silicon carbide fibers absorbed large amounts of heat, resulting in an emissivity of 0.74. This is the correct answer because it properly compares the emissivity of the two fibers, where reflected metal fibers had an emissivity of just 0.02 and silicon carbide fibers had an emissivity of 0.74. So D is the correct answer.